My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video we are talking about a Pundix coin. What's the current price of Pundix coin, what's the next move of Pundix coin, and what is the currently prices goes at this time in a Pundix coin. In this video I will show you, friends, to keep watch this video till the end, friends. And if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe now. Avius Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates, friends. Now, friends, if we talk about the current price of the Pundix, so the current price is about 3.24 USD dollar is the current price of Pundix, friends. If we talk about the prices goes in the Pundix, so the last 1 hour chain is negative, last 1 day chain is negative, only and only last 1 week change as a positive, friends. For more details, let's see the price prediction chart of the Pundix, friends. Oh my god, a very bad change goes at this time in the Pundix, negative 6.97% negative change goes in the Pundix in the last 1 day, friends, and the highest price is about 3.64 USD dollar they can hit in the last 1 day, and now the current price is about 3.24 USD dollar, friends. Absolutely a very bad change occur in the price of the Pundix, friends. As you can see, the graph tells us that chart tells us that only fast occur in the Pundix, take a jump for a later time, again fast down for a later bad time. As you can see here, the average level only and only fast occur in the Pundix, friends. So now the future is not a future is very dangerous of the Pundix coin. I hope they take a jump in the future, but a lot of chances to they fast down in the future, friends. What's your opinion about Pundix? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.